In this video, we will be seeing while loop of C programming. So while loop is one of the looping statements of C programming. We have already seen a for loop in one of our videos. So looping statements are nothing but that executes same set of statements or single statement again and again repeatedly till the given condition is true. So whatever condition we provide, uh, till that condition satisfies the set of statements or single statement is executed, and when the condition is not true, it stops and comes out of the loop and executes the remaining part of program. So for loop we have already seen, so let's again see. For loop, for keyword followed by three expressions, that is initialization, condition, increment or decrement we use, and then the block of statements. So first initialization or setting of initial value happens, and then we check the condition for every cycle, and then increment or decrement happens for every cycle. So we have seen an example where we are using a for loop, set the I value as 0. We have set I value as 0, initial value. We are checking for every cycle whether I is less than 5 and incrementing it by 1 for every cycle. And we are printing high if the condition is true. So this from 0 till 4, it will be printing high. That means 5 times it will print high on the screen according to this for loop, and then it stops. Now let's see how while works. So same way, syntax for while loop is like we have seen syntax for loop contains initialization, condition, increment or decrement part. So in case of while loop, this initialization is done in the beginning itself. It is not part of while loop. In the beginning itself, it is done. For keyword is replaced by while, and beside while we keep the condition, and this increment and decrement happens after the statements are executed. So this is syntax of while loop. So it contains initialization, that is setting of initial value, while keyword followed by condition and block of statements, and after the statements are executed, it increments or decrements the value every time. So now let's see how to execute this in a C program. So I'm writing here a C program in already created file. So this file I have already created and saved with .c extension, and I'm here writing the C program where I'm writing the first line as include stdio.h, which is adding of standard input output header file. Then I'm writing the main function, which is starting point of execution, and in the main I will be using the while loop. So before starting with the while loop, first I will be creating a variable. Let's take the variable as x equal to 0, the initial value. And then I will be using while keyword followed by condition, and condition I want to keep x less than 5. And then I will be taking the block of statements or single statement. So I'm taking here a single statement where I'm printing high. So starting from 0 till it is less than 5, it will be printing. So how to increment this x value? So here after the statement is executed, we will be incrementing every time the x value within the loop itself. So now compile it first, then run it. So now we will be getting 5 times high displayed. So to get it in different lines, let's write here /n. Then compile and run, and we get now high displayed 5 times. If you want to get the value that is 0, 1, 2, 3 also, let's write here %d because it is integer, and what should be substituted in place of %d, we will be writing after comma. So let's compile and run, and then 0 to 4 we get. If you want to change the initial value, you can change it. I am writing here 5 now, and I will be comparing till it is 50, less than equal to 50. Let's take. So from 5 till 50 it will be printing. Compile and run, and we get till 50, 1 to 50, 5 to 50 displayed, and along with that high message. And if you want 5 to 10, then I will be getting starting from 5 to 10. So this way we can make use of while loop for executing the same statement again and again in C program. So thank you for watching the video and please do subscribe the channel for more updates on C programming.